What if I told you that by 2030, millions of jobs will simply not exist? Entire industries are being taken over by AI faster than anyone expected. This isn't a prediction, it's already happening in 2025. If you work in any of these 5 industries, your job could be next. But don't panic, stay until the end, because I'll show you how to survive. Job 1, customer service and call center. AI chatbots and voice assistants are replacing call center staff at shocking speed. In fact, Commonwealth Bank of Australia tried to replace 45 workers with AI bots. It failed so badly they had to rehire staff. But many companies won't make that U-turn. Automated systems are getting smarter every month. If your job involves answering phones or handling simple customer requests, you're possibly at risk. Job news 2, manufacturing workers. Factories worldwide are already swapping humans for machines. Studies estimate that by 2025, up to 2 million manufacturing jobs could disappear. Robots don't need breaks, don't get tired. And now, with AI vision and decision-making, they can even adapt to complex tasks once done only by people. Job 3, clerical and administrative roles. Think of travel agents, data entry clerks, payroll assistants, roles filled with repetitive tasks. Accounting to reports that clerical work has 24% high risk, but 58% at medium risk. AI doesn't just type faster, it processes, analyzes, and files data 24/7. Job No. 4, back office role in finance and technology. The World Economic Forum warns that data-rich sectors are adopting AI far faster than others, automating tasks like compliance, risk analysis, and reporting. If your job is crunching numbers behind a desk, it may not be safe. Subscribe my channel. Job number 5, career shifts ahead. It's not just individual jobs, it's entire careers. They estimate that by 2030, 14% of all workers worldwide, 375 million people, may need to switch careers. Just because of AI and automation. Now I'm going to tell you how to survive possibly in the AI job revolution. Upskill into AI-proof areas. Focus on roles needing human creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. Work with AI, not against it. Learn how to use AI tools in your industry. Become the human plus AI hybrid companies want. But the future isn't just about losing jobs. It's about creating new ones. The people who survive will be the ones who adapt. Like and subscribe our channel for more updated contents related to tech and tech stories.